Now you're all drinking teas, but there's three I do not want you to drink. Very important. I'll outline exactly what they are in this video. And at the end, I'll give you information on one that you should look at that will support your glow, your facial fat pads. Let's dive in. So this is a crucial topic for your well-being. I'm shining a light on three teas that you should think twice about before sipping. If you're ready to make an informed choice on your health, stay tuned for this one. Now don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video. The first group are excess caffeine. Let's start with teas that can be a bit much. Those loaded with excess caffeine, and some people are even combining a couple of these and throughout the day, thus they're getting too much. While caffeine can provide a good temporary boost, think pre-workout, think good for memory, maybe before exam taking, people do go overboard and it can lead to jitters, increased heart rate. Disrupted sleep is a key one. You need sleep for your cognition, for your skin, and of course your well-being. It's time to reconsider your tea choices if you find yourself relying on them for energy alone. Certain teas, especially these ones, black, the darker seem to have more caffeine, but black tea for sure. Green teas, very healthy, a lot of good, but if you're stacking them, be mindful. They pack a caffeine punch. If you're sensitive to caffeine or experiencing these negative effects, maybe cut back, or there are some lower caffeine versions of, say, green tea. I did a complete video, I'll put it up here, on does caffeine kill your collagen? There's a couple interesting studies on that. Number 2, sugar-infused teas. That's my second culprit. These teas are drowning in sugar. Many commercially available teas are sweetened to the point of becoming really the sugar beverages, and they contribute to weight gain, dental issues, and overall health problems. We all know insulin resistance and the fat pads in the face, they become unhealthy and you look aged. Let's be mindful what we're putting into our body. And remember, go for loose leaf teas with real ingredients. Anytime you see flavored blends, you need to look for the label. Look on the label for sugar, and it can be hidden in there. If you want to add sugar, do it on your own and add a little bit of honey at home. That has antibacterial and immune boosting properties as opposed to the sugars these teas are putting in there. Artificial sweeteners, I think they're better than the sugars that you're seeing in there, especially the high fructose sugars. But they are a better option. But if you can avoid them again and go to things like all natural honey, I prefer that. You see, the sugars that are in there that they put in, they cause something called glycation, and that's a process that kills your skin. It's an aging reaction of naturally occurring sugars and dermal proteins, meaning the proteins in your skin. Now, before we get to the third one, know that at the end of this video, you should go to quizmd.com. There you answer a few simple questions, and I give you your best skincare routine for your particular skin and for the outcomes you're looking for. It's simple, it's quick, and a consistent skincare routine is the number one way to stay looking your best. Number 3, detox teas. Now, some of you love to detox, but some of these teas have bad ingredients that aren't proven, aren't studied, and can be deleterious not only to your skin, but to your well-being. Beware of teas with laxatives and diuretics in particular, as they can lead to dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and they can even harm your digestive system and your gut health. Your gut health and leaky gut is something we should talk about. It's really important to know. But read the labels carefully, and if you find ingredients like these, senna or cascara sagrada, consider alternative ones that support your health with more natural ingredients. You really need to be able to read ingredient labels these days. Things are hidden. Now, I do have a great tea alternative. Teas are great, but there's one in particular that can help give you skin glow, that can help support the beautiful fat pads in your face and make you look younger. I put a complete video here. You can click there to get that one. And one down here on your skincare routine, because a consistent skincare routine is needed to keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.